So now let's do a little bit of web on this. So I'm just going to copy our 84. We'll make it 85. And then we'll open it. And we'll create a new directory, templates. Inside templates, create a file index.go.html. And then inside here, little HTML. And we could do range over dot and end. And then that will, each one will be, well, we'll see what we pass in. And we're going to do a init. And we'll have var tbl is a pointer from package template to type template. And then we'll have our init. We'll have tpl is equal to template.must template.parseGlob. And it's going to be templates star.go.html. So we're going to parse all those templates. And then we need our routes and all that. So we'll do this here, http.listen and serve. I'll be calling 8080 and nil. And we'll do http.handlefunc. And this will be foo. And I'm going to take all this code out. And we'll do func foo. And it's going to have a http.responseWriter and a request. And then in here, we'll do a query. We don't have type DB and all that stuff in here. So how can we get all this up at a higher level? What is DB, right? So we'll create a package variable. And DB is from SQL. It's a pointer to SQL.db. And then down here, do we need that? Yeah, because it's the first time error is declared. So now we got that DB available at the whole package level. And I'm just going to look at this and make sure I'm getting back a pointer to DB. Z, am I going too fast? You watch it later again? Yeah, cool. So then, yeah, so now I got this at the package level, right? So I could assign here and then also use here. All right, so now that gives me my data. I can print it to standard out, but I also want to do tbl.execute template to my response. And the template I want to execute is index.go.html. And then the data I'm going to pass in is xb. And then in here, I'm ranging over a slice of books. So each one will give me a book. And so I could have and it's going to be ISBN and title, author, price. So that looks good, right? So now I think I'm ready to run it. Hopefully there's not like some security thing that I need to have work. And so I am in 84. Is that right? Oh, I did all this in the wrong one. I did an 84. So we need to make this one. We'll switch it later. And then go run main. And allow. And so when foo fires, it should punch out to my terminal a big error. We can see what it has, what it says. It's a really big error. Invalid memory address or nil pointer dereference. Invalid memory address or nil pointer dereference. So I passed in all of these addresses. I'm storing addresses. Nil pointer dereference. That was a huge explosion. What happens if we comment this out? Same. And it's 46. Main go 46. Well, this worked with the pointer to SQL DB, right? Scan puts all that stuff in there. I get my query here. I make my books. And then I am storing in each of those scan. Scan copies the columns in the current row into the values pointed at by destination. The number of values in destination must be the same as the number in rows. Scan converts columns reads from the database into the following common go types. The most simple case of the type of the value from the source, bool or string type T, a destination is a pointer. Scan simply assigns the value through the pointer. Scan also converts between string and numeric types, as long as no information will be lost. All right, I'm going to figure this out in the next, and then in the next video show you the solution.